I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing the Baja Wrangler 2, so stay tuned. This is the Baja Wrangler 2. They have recently updated the boxing. Apparently it's a lot easier now to get it out of the box and up and running. It's supposed to be very simple, so now we're going to take a look and see how simple it actually is. Before we start, we have links to this unit in the description. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, we offer free shipping across the US. Remember to like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, just give us a call or visit our website at marcsmobility.com. So first we're going to start with the unboxing. I'm going to start, there's some staples holding this in. I'm going to just go ahead and pull this out. And then up top here is just kind of a wooden frame that's kind of keeping the box together. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And set this to the side. And now the easiest way I recommend to getting this out is you're going to grab a knife. You're going to cut the corners of the box. Now there is these cardboard supports in here that are going to protect your unit from getting cut. Again, just take a look, make sure everything is there and your unit is not in the way of your cutting. If you slice your unit open, that's on you. So I checked and it was clear. So I'm just going to cut these corners. Now you will have to cut the inside of the corners as well. There is a little piece of cardboard. You can see the sides are falling down now. There we go. So our unit is sitting on this pallet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a moment, I'm going to clean up some of these boxes, and then we'll get to taking the unit off the pallet. So now I've got a lot of the cardboard moved to the side. We can see the unit sitting on the pallet like this. It's secured in place by these straps. Before we do that though, I'm just going to take off anything we need. We have this box here that's sitting underneath the tiller. This has our charger and our owner's manual in it. I'm going to go ahead and flip up the seat. And then the tiller, on the left-hand side of the tiller, there is a latch you're going to pull. You can bring that up out of the way. So basically our unit is set up. Now what we got to do is got to take these straps off. Luckily they are easy to access. There should be one on each wheel. So now getting this off the pallet is actually pretty easy. One thing I noticed, the seat is not separate, so you don't have to throw the seat on. The batteries are also already connected, so you don't have to get in there, tie down batteries, tie down cables. That's already done for you. All you have to do is push a button, and that's the reset fuse. I'm going to have that in a video overlay in the corner. But basically, all you do is you're going to flip your reset up until you hear it click. Grab your key out of your owner's manual. Then the ignition is on the right-hand side. Turn it to the right and your unit will come on. And from here you can actually drive your unit. So now I'm going to back it down off the pallet. Before I do that, one thing I want to check is because a lot of this cardboard was held in place by a staple, just want to double check, make sure there's no staples sitting up, right? Because these are air tires. I've learned that lesson before. So make sure there's no staples lying loose, like there's one right here. Just so you don't run over it backing your unit up. From here, we should be able to reverse. Before we do that, I didn't see this earlier. There is one more strap up front here. Okay, there was one more strap up front. There was, there's two tie-down points in the center that it was ran through. It wasn't on the wheels. But now that that's gone, we can back the unit up. Now this unit does have enough ground clearance to go off the pallet by itself. I wouldn't do this with most other scooters, but the Wrangler should be fine. There we go. Just very carefully. And now we're off. Now that that's done, all we got to do is take the rest of our plastic off. Then from here, your unit is basically assembled and ready to go. Your charger and owner's manual is down here. But it's ready to go. There really isn't much you have to do. The only thing I would say is when you try to drive it off the pallet, if you hear a beeping sound that sounds like this, that means that you're in neutral. There's a little E that's popping up on the screen. It says brake and it's giving the number 5. That means your neutral lever is engaged. You want to make sure your neutral levers are in the locked position. That engages your brakes, which allows the motors to drive. So make sure those are in the locked position. Other than that, this thing is ready to go right out the gate. When you do engage the brake, you have to turn the power off and on again. So overall, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Baja Wrangler 2. I really like this update. The old Wrangler was a lot to unbox. A lot of heavy components. This is set up, ready to go, as easy as can be for a scooter of this size. But if you have any questions, just contact us, give us a call, to visit our website. We'd love to help you out. If you're interested in one of these, there is a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The channel really appreciates it. We do as a business as well. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.